In this short video, we're going to look at how to create a role. The first thing we do is click on System Admin right up here. When the System Admin page opens, we are going to select the Manage Roles option. When this page opens, we now select this drop-down menu. We have different options. We have Draft, Current, Approved, Retired, and Pending. And we go to Draft. You can see that we have one document in draft right now, but we're going to add another. So we click down here in Add New Role. This dialog box opens and we put in the name of the role. Let's call it HR Manager. You do have an option of cloning the role, and that is really setting up the role on the basis of another role. We're not going to take this option on this occasion. So after putting in the name, declining to clone the role, we need to add an approver or approvers. So we're going to add an approver, and we click here to add to this list. We're going to select from this category here, we're going to select somebody in administration, and the person we're going to select is John Gleason. So John now will approve this role. We'll add user to list and see John appears up here, and then we close this dialog box and just select OK. You can now insert a summary description here. We'll just do something very basic, and we'll scroll down. We can click next section, but we'll select Save. Then we select Competencies Map. And here we can add to the list all the competencies that you may need for training, for procedures and documents, the qualifications that go with that role, the experience, and the personal qualities. Let's just add one personal quality, for example. So we click on Add to this list. We're going to select that one of the personal qualities we look for is Team Player. We highlight Team Player and select OK. And as you see here, the selected competency has been added. And then we go back. At this stage now, all we have to do is sign off. Of course, before we do so, we may have added, just as a reminder, you could have added more training competencies, more procedures and documents, the qualifications, experience, and of course we did add our one Team Player for personal quality. Okay, so we select on Sign Off. We just insert something here to show that, where you put this. None applies. We come down here, we click on the approver, we click Approve. Now if we had a password, we don't have a password in this case, but we will just click OK. The approval requirements have been met. The item is now ready to be issued. So we select OK. We just go back up here, and we click on Issue. We insert our password and select OK. And that role has now been created. I just clicked again here on System Admin. I just want to go back in and see if that role is current. And it's in Accounts, and you can see now we have HR Manager as current. So there are your 10 easier steps to set up a role in the system.